What's going on, y'all? Bully Kid here, checking in, taking off my shades so y'all can see me a little bit better. But on this video and on other videos, I keep telling you guys, don't throw out your used tires. If you're going to replace your tires, you know, normally the recycling charges you $4, $5 per tire, and you're giving them away good tires. A lot of these companies flip those used tires and sell them in the used tire market. So my colleague over here, Pirelli P0s 235 40 18, two of them are like 70% life left. The other two probably have close to 60% life left, and there's a fifth tire, yes, a fifth tire with maybe like 40% life left, and we're selling those tires for $150 to somebody that's interested in buying them for cash right now. So that $150 you can pay towards your new set of tires. You can do so much with $150. You know, Mr. Funk, recreational marijuana is legalized in Illinois and Chicago. You can use that $150 to smoke some Mary J. Or you can take that $150 and buy eBay coilovers. Whatever your taste is, you can do it with the extra money right over here from these tires. Let me try to see if I can show you one of these tires right here. I mean, look at that tire. Not bad. Here it looks like it had a tire puncture, but you know, they all hold air. They're all doing great. Like these tires right here are from 2015. Pretty good tires here. So we got all 5 tires that we're selling, and I'm just the middleman. I'm delivering the product to the buyer. I'm the middleman. You know, I didn't pay nothing up front. I got no risk on this table, on this trade. So yeah, if you guys want to make some side money, post your used tires for sale. I'm sure there's somebody looking for a cheap tire to put on their beater. If somebody's buying a vehicle that they just want to flip and they just need some bullshit tires on them, they'll be looking for tires like these. So do what you want to do, but if you're poor, if you're frugal, this is something you might want to consider. And you know, this money that we're gonna get, because we're gonna get a little bit of profit sharing from this flip, you know, that's going back to the YouTube channel, to that torque wrench. Yeah, all right guys, I'll see you, because I think the guy is on his way right now.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own, I've been working from home. I can do it on my own, but sometimes I get